Are you ready for your Red Seal Skilled Trades exams? This won't hurt a bit, I promise. You don't have to do this the hard way. Let me show you. We have everything you need to prepare and feel comfortable in writing your exams. We can give you the study materials you need for the refrigeration and air conditioning systems Mechanic 313A and D exams. We have many more to choose from. Later in this video, I'll show you what the pages and content looks like. This study kit contains everything you need to easily clear your Canadian Red Seal exams. The study kit contains the following resources. Here's what you'll get. Complete lessons and readings for the Red Seal Occupational Standard and curriculum. 3 complete Red Seal actual exams with answers. Flashcards training program with questions on the front and answers on the back. This is everything you need to easily clear your Canadian Red Seal exams. Visit www.coursetreelearning.com to get your study kit.